Hello everybody, I'm Bunny99 aka Elizabeth Dawson. Welcome back for more video games lesson. This video might be spoiler ahead. Making sure you please play all your favorite video games and everything else for simple format this video. And remember, keep eye on the name of the game and the date when it came out. So, remember, this is part 3 of this game hustle that we started. So, we get going. We already did with this anime, before. Let's see, with the arcade one. Much better. Alright. Don't do that up this. Thank you. Guys, I said talk about a video game by a different game console only. Definitely work on it. No, not that. Yeah, it's a video game. See, this is what I'm talking about. It could be between the... It's up to you, all you, if you want to look it up for yourself. If you guys are done play all your favorite video games. If you really beat the game from back your day, not something like that. Just remember. So look it up and see it for yourself. Alright guys, we're gonna get back into Pat. Okay, we'll stop right here. See you in the next video. See you in the next part. Bye.